the brightest symbol of strength in the jungle. A pride of lions, formidable in spirit and courage, hungry for results. They survey the land with confidence. Whether it's a straight road or a steep, slippery slope, they move forward as a team, with an ambition in their hearts and eyes firm on their goal. They focus on the mission, plan their moves, and perform to win, moving onwards and upwards. This is the story of L&T Financial Services. Among India's leading non-banking financial services company and part of the iconic L&T Group. Incorporated in 1994, we grew together with grit, determination, and an indomitable will to succeed. Our vision, to be an admired and inspirational financial institution, creating sustainable value for all our stakeholders, was reinforced with LTFS 2.0. We sharply redefined our strategy across three key pillars: transform, reorient strategy to focus on select products and deliver steady improvement; focus, delivering continuous efficiencies across right people, right business, right structure; deliver, build strong structural capabilities to drive sustainable, profitable growth as one LTFS. We successfully built momentum. Our core businesses, rural finance, housing finance, infrastructure finance, and mutual funds, have attained market-leading positions. As a leading renewable financer, we have helped generate over 10,000 megawatt of power. With every passing year, our achievements turn into milestones that have won us recognition and motivate us to look ahead. We have successfully harnessed the power of digital and data analytics to enhance portfolio quality, achieve scale, increase cost efficiency, and build market-leading products. We marched upward on our ESG responsibility and was recognized the best in finance for renewable energy. Acknowledging our resilient business model and strong group support, we have been rated AAA, the highest credit rating for NBFCs. Along our journey, it is our stars who have guided us onwards and upwards, driven by our values of pride, ambition, discipline, integrity. Our warriors who ventured out even when the world came to a standstill, who together accomplish set goals with a go-getter spirit. We are the LTFS Lions. We are here to applaud our stars. Welcome to our Star Awards 2021, a moment of glory for each of us as we continue on our journey, focus on our target, and deliver our goals. Together, let's celebrate as we roll onwards and upwards.